Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Squarespace to Shopify. We'll explore how to combine Squarespace's beautiful design capabilities with Shopify's robust e-commerce features. This guide will help you create a powerful online presence, whether you're looking to add a few products or fully transition your store. You'll learn practical steps to get the best of both worlds, ensuring a seamless experience for your customers and efficient management for you. Integrating these platforms offers several key advantages. You can significantly improve conversion rates by providing a wider array of payment options, such as credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay. Shopify excels at managing extensive product catalogs, making it easier to handle hundreds or even thousands of items. This combination allows you to maintain Squarespace's stunning visual appeal while benefiting from Shopify's powerful sales and order management system, often at a more cost-effective rate than a full Squarespace commerce plan. There are a few primary ways to link your Squarespace site with Shopify. One popular method is to embed Shopify by buttons directly into your Squarespace pages, allowing customers to purchase products through Shopify's secure checkout. You can also transfer your Squarespace domain to point directly to your Shopify store, making Shopify your primary e-commerce hub. For a full transition, you can migrate product, customer, and order data using CSV files or specialized migration applications. Before you begin, ensure your Shopify plan, such as the starter plan at $5 per month, includes buy button functionality. It's crucial to customize the appearance of your Shopify buy buttons to seamlessly blend with your Squarespace site's design, matching colors, fonts, and sizes. If you're migrating data via CSV files, be prepared to format your Squarespace data to align with Shopify's specific templates. Always test your integration thoroughly to ensure a smooth customer journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.